Okay, now I have shown you Vimal Kirti's home and I have explained Vimal Kirti's name. Vimal Kirti is Chandelier Rishi. Vimala Chandelier Kirti Rishi. Vimala Kirti Chandelier Rishi. Anyway, how I came to this conclusion is because of the temple, which Bhairo Baba temple, which stands on the spot where Vimal Kirti preached while he was sick. So folks, I'm sure you want to see the place where Vimal Kirti preached while he was sick. I will show you. According to Zhang, he tells us that after showing us Dularpur Mutt, which is your Kapala shrine, and showing us several other places, he says that he goes to the house of spirits. Now, every village in Bihar has a house of spirits. Oh, in that house, you won't see Brahmins praying. It is the local villagers. See, that is Buddhism, Buddhism. And you won't see any Hindu gods and goddesses. You will find a stupa or 5 stupas or what, and there is a room, sanctum sanctorum, dedicated to the spirit of that person, to the spirit of Vimal Kirti, of Chandelier Rishi, folks. Now, Zhang tells us that it was the house of spirits, the spot where the lay disciple Vimal Kirti preached while he was sick. Now, if you read Buddhist texts, the Buddhist texts, they say that he feigned sickness. He feigned sickness because he wanted to preach to his brothers and his relatives. And he knew that if he feigned sickness, they would come to visit him. And when they visited him, he would preach to them. So folks, I'm sure you want to see that spot. That is the Bhairo Baba temple. Bhairo is the house of spirits. Bhairo is the house of spirits. So folks, that is the Bhairo Baba temple in your Vaishali. It is just next to Dularpur, which was the Kapala shrine. And that is the place where Vimal Kirti, he preached. He preached. Vimal is a model bodhisattva. He instructs deities, arhants, and lay people in all manners concerning the nature of enlightenment and Buddhist truth. He was on his sick bed. Now he feigned sickness, or he was really on his sick bed. As crowds come to meet him, he employs superior understanding to teach them the nature of emptiness, sunyata, which claims that nirvana and samsara are the ultimate level. Through this sutra, several Hinayana Buddhist arhants are ridiculed because they misunderstand this the Buddha's teaching, and they don't show, they are selfish and they don't show compassion. And basically, through this sutra, several Hinayana Buddhist arhants are ridiculed. He says that Bodhisattva can partake in pleasures and defilements without being attached to them. Now this is very important. See, he was a lay disciple. He says that Bodhisattvas could partake in pleasures and defilements without being attached to them. Now the sutra reaches its peak. The sutra reaches its peak when the moment when Vimal Kirti asks the audience to describe the nature of non-duality. Vimal Kirti responds with silence that the true understanding is unavailable. Now folks, all this teaching Would you? I'm sure you want to see the exact spot. Well, the exact spot is today a temple, a swanky. First, it was a pile of bricks, and then they made a mud structure for many years, a few hundred years. Now it's a swanky marble temple, folks. It has become a craze in Bihar villages of marbleizing their temples. So, what do you call it? This is the place, and folks, Vimal Kirti, Vimala Chandelier, Kirti Rishi, Vimala Chandelier, Kirti Rishi. Vimala Kirti is Chandelier Rishi. His portrait is in the temple, folks. And the people of Raghunandanpur village, which is Vimal Kirti's home, are Digway, that is your Lichvis, of the Chandelier Gotra, of the Chandelier subcaste. Chandelier means of the Vimal Kirti subcaste. They are, the Lichvis of the Vimal Kirti subcaste. Folks, the Lichvis also have several subcastes, but this is the Vimal Kirti subcaste. Actually, it is the Chandelier Rishi subcaste. Such vignettes are only found in my page, Buddha Exhumed. Check out what Zhang Zhang has to say, and then you can see it in satellite pictures, and then you can see the place or the stupa, the temple itself, and you can meet the descendants of Vimal Kirti. One of them is in charge of that temple. He says he was his ancestor. Folks, check out what Zhang Zhang has to say.